Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you various WooCommerce tips, tricks, and hidden features to enhance and speed up your website editing experience. This amazing open-source e-commerce platform helps merchants and developers build successful businesses for the long term. WooCommerce also allows users to manage their online stores easily, from setting up product displays and managing orders to accepting multiple payment gateways. The tricks I'll show you will save you a lot of time later, and they're ideal for beginners. So, in order to leverage all the benefits WooCommerce has to offer, we've prepared a series of tricks to make your website work stunning without any hassle. In this video, I'm going to get you familiar with some hacks that are both beginner-friendly and give an amazing end result. But before we start, we post WordPress-related content regularly, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our uploads. Let's move on to learn more about WooCommerce tricks and tips. The first amazing trick I want to show you is how to allow customers to send an inquiry or quote requests for products. Instead of allowing customers to make the purchase from the website, we want the customers to fill up the form and raise an inquiry. Sometimes sellers don't keep the stock with them and provide products only on the orders. In that case, you can see here I've already created my e-commerce website. You can see the product catalog here. Now, instead of the Add to Cart button here, I want to add a Read More option, which redirects customers to that specific product page with an inquiry form. Filling up a customer can raise a query and place the order. To do so, all we need to do is add a plugin first. So, move back to the WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins, and click on Add New. Simply search for code snippets, and this is the plugin we're looking for. So, click on Install Now. Once installed, click on Activate. You can see the plugin has been successfully installed here. Now, let's configure the plugin. Hover over Snippets and click on All Snippets. Simply click on Add New. Let me give this code snippet a title first. Now, simply add the code here for the functionality. This will add a filter to the product and remove the Add to Cart button from the product's page. I'll mention the code in the description, and you can copy it from there. Once done, simply save the code snippet and activate it like this. Once done, let's move to the product's catalog. Refreshing the same, you can see the button here indicates Read More now. Clicking on it will redirect us to this product page. Here it says to send an inquiry, but the contact form is not displayed here. To add a contact form, let's move back to the code snippet window. You can see the code says to enter the form shortcode here, which will be displayed on the product page. To do so, I'll use the WP Forms plugin. I've already installed the plugin and created a contact form. To configure the plugin, hover over WP Forms and click on All Forms. You can see this form here. Simply copy the shortcode from here. Now paste the form shortcode over here like this. Once done, simply save the changes. Move back and refresh the product page. You can see the contact form here. Now, visitors can send an inquiry related to the product by filling up the form here. This is how easy it is to allow customers to send an inquiry or quote requests for products. The next trick is all about how to add conditional messages on various WooCommerce product category pages. We'll achieve this functionality by using code. To do so, we'll need to install a plugin named Code Snippet. I've already installed and activated this plugin. To configure the plugin, hover over Snippets and click on Add a Snippet. Now, let me give this code snippet a name. And once done, simply add this code over here. I'll mention the code in the description, so you can copy it from there. This is the code to add a custom message on the WooCommerce product category page. You can add your message over here. Here you can select where to run the code. I want it only on the front end. Once done, simply save the changes and activate them. Now let's move back and let's visit a category page. You can see this custom message here. Now, this code script was for adding a custom message to all categories. If you want to add a custom message to a specific category page, then in order to do that, move back to the code snippet window. Simply add another code here. I'll mention this code in the description as well. Now, instead of the category here, we need to specify the specific category. So, let's move to categories. And you can see various categories here. You can simply add the category slug over here. You can edit the message over here. Once done, simply save the changes. Now let's move back and check the code in action. Moving to the specific category page, you can see the custom message here. This is how easy it is to add conditional messages on various WooCommerce product category pages. Do you want to display the sale percentage beside the sale badge for WooCommerce products? This trick is all about how to add sale percentage to your WooCommerce products. By default, WooCommerce sale badge shows only text, sale, but there's no out-of-the-box option if you want the sale badge to show the discount percentage. For example, instead of saying sale, you want it to show minus 40%. As you can see, this is my e-commerce website, and here you can see some products only have this sale badge over here, and no discount percentage is mentioned over here. We are going to achieve this functionality by using code, so let's move back. You'll need the code snippet plugin for this. I've already installed and activated it, so simply hover over snippets and click on Add a new snippet. Let me give this snippet a title. Simply add the code here. I'll mention the code in the description and you can copy it from there. This code will automatically calculate the sale discount percentage. While adding the products, you just need to enter the sale price and the regular price. I'll only like to run this script in the front end. Once done, simply save the changes and activate the code snippet. Let's move back and check the code in action. On refreshing, you can see the sale percentage over here. This is how easy it is to display the sale percentage beside the sale badge in WooCommerce products. The next trick is all about how to display custom product badges, such as a percentage off, new, or free shipping. One way to display your product features and benefits on the shop page is by using product badges, a series of display messages that are able to communicate with the user immediately. We're going to achieve this functionality by adding code. As you can see here, this is my website. Moving to the specific product page, here we're going to add a custom product badge. To do so, let's move back. I've already installed the plugin, so hover over snippets and click on Add a Snippet. Now, let me give this snippet a name here. Simply add this code over here. I'll mention the code in the description so you can copy it from there. This code will display the free shipping badge and will add a checkbox for the same. While adding the product, you can simply check the box and display the badge over the product page on the front end. Once done, simply save the changes and activate. Now, let's see if the checkbox has been added or not. For that, hover over Products and click on All Products. You can see various products over here. Simply edit the one in which you want to display the free shipping badge. On scrolling a little, you can see the checkbox displayed here. Simply check the box to display free shipping. Once done, click on the Update button. Moving to the product page on the front end, you can see the free shipping badge in action here. Now, if you want to change the badge text, you can do that as well. Simply move back, and you can replace this text here. Once done, don't forget to save the changes. Moving back and refreshing the same, you can see the badge text has changed here. This is how easy it is to display custom product badges. The next trick will teach you how to display the stock status when using WooCommerce. As you can see here, this is my e-commerce store, and as of now, it doesn't display any stock information here. So add the stock status, and we're simply going to add a code. For that, simply move back, and I've already installed the code snippet plugin. So simply hover over the snippet and click on Add New in the sidebar. Let's give this snippet a name over here. Once done, simply paste this code over here. I'll add the code in the description so you can copy it from there. This code will automatically display the stock status by reading the stock details we mention while adding the product information. I'll run this code only in the front end. Once done, simply save the changes and activate the same. Moving back and refreshing the page, you can see the code in action here. This is how easy it is to display the stock status when using WooCommerce. The next trick is all about how to display a contact form if the product is out of stock. As you can see, this is my e-commerce store. When moving to the products, you can see the product is out of stock. And instead of this Add to Cart button here, I want to display a contact form here so that customers can place their queries regarding the product. So we're going to achieve this functionality by using code. You need to install and activate the code snippet plugin. I've already done that. So move back, hover over the snippet, and click on Add New. Give this snippet a name over here. Now simply paste the code here. I have the code in the description and you can copy it from there. This code will show the contact form instead of the out of stock message. Now here you need to insert the shortcode of your contact form. I've already created the contact form using WP Forms. So I'm simply going to copy the form shortcode from here. And now I'll paste the shortcode here like this. Once done, don't forget to save changes and activate the code snippet. Moving back to the product page, on refreshing the page you can see the contact form has been added here. This is how easy it is to display the contact form only when a WooCommerce product is out of stock. In the next trick, you'll learn how to hide WooCommerce product price when the product is out of stock. This is my e-commerce store, and you can see the price of the products that are not in stock still being displayed here. I want to remove this price. We're going to achieve this functionality with code. So to do so, you need to install a plugin named Code Snippet. I've already installed the plugin. Moving back, hover over the code snippet and click on Add New. Let me give this code snippet a name. Simply paste the code here. I'll add the code in the description, and you can get it from there. I'm going to run the script only in the front end. Once done, don't forget to save the changes and activate the code. Moving back and refreshing the page, you can see the price has been hidden for the products that are out of stock. This is how easy it is to hide WooCommerce product prices when the product is out of stock. This next trick will guide you on how to display the custom stock status on the admin product list. So, let's get started. The stock status drop-down menu has limited options to choose from. You can add a custom stock status in the drop-down menu following this tutorial. To do so, you need to install a plugin named Code Snippet. I've already installed and activated it. To configure the plugin, hover over the snippets in the sidebar and click on All Snippets. Simply click on Add New. Once done, let's give this snippet a name. I'm simply going to paste the code here, which has multiple stock status options to add to the drop-down menu. I'll mention the code in the description, and you can get it from there. Once done, simply save the changes and activate the code. Now let's move to the product list and check the status stock drop-down menu with new options. Hover over Products and click on All Products. Let's quickly edit the product. And here you can see the stock status drop-down menu with new options in it being added. You can select any as per your need. Once done, simply update the changes. You can see the stock status has changed here. This is how easy it is to display the custom stock status on the admin product list. This trick is all about how to change the Add to Cart button text if the product is in backorder. So for this tutorial, we're going to change the product status to backorder and the button text will change to pre-order. You can see this product here. We're going to change the Add to Button text of this product. And to do so, let's move back to hover over snippets and click on Add New. This is basically a plugin named Code Snippet which you can use. Let me give this code snippet a name over here. And once done, let's paste the code here. You can get the code snippet from the description below. Once added, simply save changes and activate the code. Now let's see it in action. Moving to Products and All Products, you can see the product status here says on backorder. Viewing the product on the front end, you can see the text of the Add to Cart button has changed here. One can pre-order this product. This is how easy it is to change the Add to Cart button text if the product is on backorder. In the next upcoming trick, you'll learn how to add products to the homepage using a shortcode. As you can see, this is my e-commerce store, and I want to add some products here on top of this section over here. To do so, we'll add a shortcode. To achieve the functionality, simply edit the page with your theme builder. I'm using Elementor. So let's edit the page with Elementor. Scrolling a little to where we want to add the products, I'm simply going to add a section over here. Let's select the section structure. And now from various elements that Elementor provides, simply search for the shortcode like this. Drag and drop the shortcode element here to the section. Now simply enter this shortcode here. I'll mention the same in the description. You can copy it from there. You can see the products have been added here. Now you can also make some changes to the shortcode. You can edit the number of products here. You can edit the number of columns as well. You can customize the section as per your website's needs. And once done with the changes, don't forget to update the page. Let's view the page from the front end. And you can see how easy it is to add products to the home page using a shortcode. The next trick is all about how to display the most popular products. As you can see, this is my e-commerce website, and I want to display the most popular products here on my site. I'm using Elementor as the page builder, so I'll simply edit the page with Elementor. Now, to add popular products here, let's add a section first. After that, from various elements that Elementor provides, search for the shortcode element. Simply drag and drop the shortcode element here. Now, enter the shortcode here. I'll add it to the description and you can copy it from there. This will order the products by their popularity and display them here. You can see the products have been added here. Once done, don't forget to update the changes. Now, let's view the page from the front end. On scrolling a little bit, you can see the popular products that have been added here. This is how easy it is to display the most popular products. In this trick, you'll learn how to create a grid of items that are on sale. As you can see, this is an e-commerce website, and I'm on the page editor window. I want to create a grid of products that are on sale. So let's add the section here. From various elements that Elementor provides, simply search for the shortcode. Drag and drop shortcode elements here like this. Once done, paste the shortcode here like this. I'm adding this code in the description. You can get it from there. This code will create a grid of popular products that are on sale. You can see the products have been added here. These are ordered by popularity but are on sale. This is how easy it is to create a grid of products that are on sale. This trick is all about how to display a WooCommerce category list using a shortcode. So, let's get started. Let me add a section over here. Now, from various elements that Elementor provides, simply search for the shortcode element. I'm entering the shortcode here to display the categories over here. You can see the results over here. I'll add this shortcode in the description. You can copy it from there. This is how easy it is to display a WooCommerce category list using a shortcode. This trick is all about how to include some specific products within a blog post with a shortcode. As you can see here, this is the blog post on my site. I'll add some specific products to this blog post. Now, simply scroll and add a section wherever you want to add the product. From various elements here, search for the shortcode element. Drag and drop the shortcode element here like this. Now, I'm simply entering the shortcode with the product IDs to add here. I'll mention the code in the description. You can copy it from there. You can get the IDs from here. As you can see, there are various products, and each product has been given a unique ID. So you can simply add the product ID here and include it in your blog post. You can see the shortcode in action here. This is how easy it is to include some specific products within a blog post with a shortcode. The next trick is all about how to create an order tracking page with WooCommerce using a shortcode. So as you can see here, I'm already in the page editor and I've created a new page here. To track orders in WooCommerce, we're simply going to add the shortcode. WooCommerce has a shortcode displaying a form allowing clients to track their orders. To do so, simply add a section over here. Then, from various elements that Elementor provides, search for shortcode. Drag and drop shortcode elements here like this. Here, you need to enter this shortcode simply. I'll mention the code in the description and you can copy it from there. To track the order, customers need to enter their order ID in the box below, add their billing email as well, and press the track button. The appearance of the form will vary depending on your theme. This is how easy it is to create an order tracking page with WooCommerce using a shortcode. This trick will help you in learning how to add a cart to your e-commerce store. Adding a cart shortcode in WooCommerce is a simple process that can help you add a shopping cart to your website with just a few clicks. As you can see, this is my website, and I'm already on the page editor window. Let me edit this heading over here. Now let's add a section and select the section structure. From various elements that Elementor provides, search for shortcode. Drag and drop it to the section like this. Simply enter the shortcode here. I'll leave the shortcode in the description below, you can copy it from there. You can see the cart has been added here. The cart is empty currently, but you can add products to it and see it working. So this was how easy it is to add a cart in WooCommerce. This trick is all about how to add an Add to Cart button with a shortcode in WooCommerce. While WooCommerce gives you an exhaustive list of shortcodes to use, the one people find most beneficial when creating content on their site is the WooCommerce Add to Cart button shortcode. As you can see, this is the blog post. I want to add an Add to Cart button along with the specific product price over here. I'll replace the existing shortcode and I'll add a shortcode to Add to Cart button. I'll mention the code in the description, you can get it from there. ID is an argument that links the button to the product having the ID equal to 99. You can add multiple parameters. The shortcode here will add a WooCommerce Add to Cart button that displays the price of the product. This is how easy it is to add an Add to Cart button with a shortcode in WooCommerce. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.